Hello guys, this is a tutorial on how to replace your bushings or on your wishbones of a Renault Megane Mark II or complete wishbones and tie rod ends. So first remove the wheels, remove the plastic cover, it only has clips, take it off, remove the sway bar tie rod ends. I have already put in new ones, replace them, they have 16mm, or if you have replaced them before, 70mm. Then remove the bolt, 16mm bolt it has on both sides of wishbone tie rod end. See, it is a new one in already. Then you have 18mm here, and hold it here, bolt. For this, to get to this bolt, you have to remove the front part of bridge. For that you have here 30mm and 80mm bolts here and there. On the other side, the water killer is in the bridge, and just remove that. When you remove that, here you have 18mm too on this side, and here is a long bolt which goes all the way through the bridge and this bushings of the wishbone, and that's it. I will show you now next what else to do. So now you can see we have removed the front bridge, and now we can get to the last bolts of the end rods. Yes, now we will take it out. Now, as you can see, the wishbone is out. See, it's not quite hard, you just have to remove the front bridge. Okay, now you have to put something. You can take this out on a press, or if you don't have a press, you need something that is more has a more bigger circle than this to take it out. You can put it in here on a table here and take this out and pull it out. Just kick it with a hammer and it will go out. Do the same for all of these bushings and for the tie rod, and just take it out. Okay, and then put in a new one. It is the easiest in a press, but if you don't have a press, you have to make do. So let's go. So here you can see I have made contraption, homemade press. A big ball bearing. These are all ball bearings. A little one, approximately the same size as the outer circle of the bushings, and just push it in. I have used the bigger sway bar or something, I don't know how to say it, and that's it. So now we will replace this, and the same thing is for the tie, for the rod or tie end, and you have to use this around this, and that's it, and just press it in. The same principle, so you always have to watch out that you don't press this with the tools. It has to be in something. That's why here is a big ball bearing. Okay, I hope you got it.